Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this short video we're going to take a closer look at the new fantastic stamp and coordinating die set from Trinity Stamp's latest release, Enchanted Woods. So here you can see side by side the coordinating dies and the stamp set. And you can see that the die set also cuts out perfectly all the sentiments that comes in this stamp set. So I used the large leaves here and just picked them up and the coordinating sentiment. Stamp them in black just so you can see how well they are stamped and how nicely they cut out when they are all cut out. And I also created a project just so you can see how everything turned out. And I just love this stamp set, and I will leave you with some more inspiration from the design team. If you like to see even more inspiration, you can always visit our Facebook page or Instagram and of course the blog. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!